Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dhruv, and in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to make the traditional simple origami crane. So it's the basic model of the origami. I think it was the initial origami stage when it was created. So for this you will require a square sheet of paper. So let's get into the tutorial. So first of all you will require to make both the diagonals with the colored side up. I already made the diagonals and divide the paper along both the axes while cutting the paper. So you just make the diagonals and divide the paper. Here. Now we have made the basic 4 creases of this model. So from these 4 creases we have to make a square bomb base. So just turn the model over, in which the diagonals are a mountain fold, and take these 2 edges up to this point on the base of this middle point of the paper. Just go with the creases, not force any creases. Here. Now we have to take the edge of this edge and this edge up to the middle line. With the same step behind. Now fold both all the 4 flaps. Now just take the single layer and fold it up on the base of these 2 points formed by these 2 flaps. The model will not lie flat until we fold these 2 flaps in on the basis of the creases that we just made. So just push it. Now here one of the crease is a valley fold. So we have to convert this valley fold into a mountain fold. So just press the crease in the opposite direction. Here, now do the same thing here. Make sure you make this point very nice and clean. Now just fold this flap up. Do the same thing behind. Fold this flap up and push both the layers in and convert this valley fold into a mountain. Fold this flap up again. Right. Now just take the single flap here and take this edge up to the middle line. Do the same thing with this flap. Now these two are going to be the wings of the swan. Or the bird, you can say, is mostly the same thing. So just fold these two flaps down and do it as on these 2 points, where this crease starts on this side. You can see here. And unfold. Do the same thing behind. Now it's a bit tricky of this, but I think you will understand. We have to take this flap and fold it in this direction to make the head of the crane. Yeah. This part is easy, but the next thing is quite tough. So now just open the flap and take this and fold it on the basis of the creases that we just made by folding it like this. Here. I'm not touching this thing because we will be making the head of the crane right here. Do the same thing here for making the tail. So just open this flap a bit and push this inside. Here, now just take this flap and fold it down, or you can do this thing another. You just make this flap like this one and just flatten the model and fold it like this. Here, now just unfold it and do the same thing that we did here. So here is the basic origami crane, basic origami bird, basic origami swan, everything is just this model. So here. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.